Oh, shoot.
Hey, welcome back to another episode of How We Do It. Let's see what we got today. Oh, got some mushrooms. Some baby bella mushrooms. Okay. Let's go ahead and get these boys fried up. Before we start working on these mushrooms, we gotta make a sauce. And we got our lime juice, lemon juice, sour cream, seasoned pepper, Dijon mustard, Miracle Whip, garlic powder, onion powder, and some Tabasco sriracha. We're gonna take all these ingredients and we're gonna mix them together. I'm gonna toss in my sour cream. I got about a cup right here. Got my Miracle Whip. Put in my Tabasco sriracha. You gotta shake it up first, you know what I'm talking about. Just a little bit, nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying. Dijon. Take that onion powder. Seasoned pepper. That garlic powder. And you already know we gotta take that lime and lemon zest. We gotta get that lemon and lime juice out. That's what I'm liking right there. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. See what we're working with. Oh, hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. We got our sauce in the refrigerator, chilling out right now. In the meantime, we're gonna start working on these mushrooms. Got a pan right here with some butter. We're gonna add these mushrooms in there. And then we're gonna add a little salt. The reason why we're adding salt to them is it's gonna release the moisture within the mushrooms itself. That'll give it a better texture, and when you fry them off, they won't be runny or watery. Once our mushrooms are ready, We're gonna transport them over to this rack. Let them cool down a little bit. And then we're gonna put them in this flour mixture that we got off to the side. All right, for this flour mixture, I used some smoked paprika, cumin, roasted garlic seasoning, thyme, sea salt, and onion powder. This is what we got right here, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna take all this, mix it in the flour. Give it a little mix. And then we're gonna take those mushrooms and give them a light dredge. What this is gonna do is when we take this flour mixture and turn it into a beer batter, it'll help stick a lot better. Once you get them lightly coated, dredged up real nice like, bring them back over to that rack and let them sit up for a little bit. This is what they look like, all dredged up. I forgot to mention, I added some chipotle seasoning too to that flour mixture. Now we're gonna take this flour mixture and turn it into a beer batter. I like to mess with that Dos Equis, as you can see right there. We're gonna crack this bad boy open. Gonna slowly pour it in. And you don't want your mixture runny, you want it kind of lumpy. A little thickness to it. You see what it looks like? If you don't want it that thick, you can add another beer to it if you want. That's about what we looking like right there. We're gonna take this and we're gonna add our mushrooms to it, dip it in there, and throw them straight into the fryer. We're gonna let them fry for about 2 or 3 minutes. Whoo! Man, I know y'all see that. Fried mushrooms with that dipping sauce. Had to hit it with a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top with a little parsley. You know what I'm saying? Let's go get a little taste of one of these boys. Straight to 'em.